Guys, welcome to the new video. And if you own a modern Audi, for example mine is 2014 Audi A6, you know that these engines don't have dipstick. So how you can, of course we have this, but this is just a fake plug. Let me try to pull it out. I can't. It sits pretty hardly, pretty snugly inside. So I can't even pull it out. So this is just a plug. So how you do it? First of all, go inside your car. Now we need to start the car and wait until the engine reach the working temperature. So now we are waiting until the engine reaches optimum, like 90 degrees, 80 degrees temperature. And now we are here in a 90 degrees mark, so we can shut the engine down. Yes. Next, we need to turn the ignition back on, but don't start the engine. Yeah, my DD-Pi, my dash cam. Next, we need to open car menu. Then, car systems. Servicing and checks, oil level, and now we need to wait until we receive the oil level. So let's wait, and must be switched off, so the engine is switched off. And here it is. So in my situation it says that my oil level is at its maximum.